Is your Facebook ad account disabled, leaving your business in the dark? Don't panic. This video will walk you through the appeal process step by step. First, head over to Facebook Ads Manager and locate the Account Overview tab. You'll likely see a red notification indicating your account is disabled. Click on the See Details or Review button, which will redirect you to the appeal form. This is where the real work begins. Facebook will ask for several things. First, provide a government's photo ID like a driver's license or passport to verify your identity. Next, gather your business documentation. This could include articles of incorporation, business licenses, utility bills showing your business address, and any other official paperwork that proves your business is legitimate. The most crucial part is the explanation. Meticulously explain why you believe your account was wrongly disabled. Acknowledge any potential policy violations, even if unintentional, and demonstrate how you've corrected them. For example, if you violated the personal attributes policy, discuss what advertisement did so and what steps have been taken to prevent future occurrence. Provide detailed information about the ads you run. Explain your targeting methods, ad creatives, and landing page content. Show them you understand Facebook's advertising policies and that your ads comply. Once you've filled out the form completely and attached all required documents, carefully review everything and then hit the Submit button. Now, it's a waiting game. Facebook's review process can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. Be patient and monitor your email for updates. Hopefully, after a thorough review, Facebook will reinstate your ad account, and you can get back to connecting with your audience and growing your business. Good luck!